I have tried a ton of varnishing products for my paintings, and each one fell a little flat. Whether it was the smell of these products, and let me tell you, they stink to high heaven, or they just didn't really cover my paintings that well, I was in search of something incredible. So I scoured across the internet for countless hours until I found this gem. This is the Natural Earth Paint Natural Varnish, so it's 100% natural and eco-friendly. I absolutely adore this product, so I'm going to tell you a little bit about it first, but stick to the end of the video where I show you a demonstration of this varnish on some of my paintings. Now, I have the memory of a goldfish, so hopefully I'm going to be able to get through this video and give you all of the pros of this incredible product. So pray for me, here we go. So the Natural Earth Paint 100% Natural Varnish is exactly that, 100% natural and eco-friendly. It is made from plant-based ingredients that are archival for your artworks. This means you get that gorgeous glossy finish for your paintings, which acts as a durable final protection against dirt and grease. So not only are you getting durable protection for your paintings, you're also getting protection for you, the artist. This varnish is free from VOCs, heavy metals, and additives. My house, we have a lot of sensitivities that can set off allergies or migraines, and I was unable to use any other varnish product on the market. It was only until I started using this 100% natural product that I was able to actually varnish indoors and varnish all of my paintings finally after not doing it for so long. This varnish is free from harsh smell, so it does have a bit of a slight odor, but nothing compared to the spray fixatives or the really heavy varnishes of other products. Now, the part we've all been waiting for, of course, is the price point. How much does this product actually cost? This varnish costs from anywhere between $14 to $50 and is available in a wide variety of sizes. So whether you're just looking to try out a sample for your paintings or you want to dive in and get a huge tub like I did, those are your options available, and be sure to check them out. Now, I've been talking far too long, so let's go ahead and jump right into our demonstration and see what this varnish looks like actually on my paintings.
To start off, I've put my natural varnish in a pump bottle that I purchased off of Amazon, and I have a sponge foam brush from Michaels that came in a value pack. This just makes application so much easier. I give the bottle a little shake if it has been standing still for a while, just to shake up all the ingredients, and I pump the varnish out onto the middle of my painting. I work my way around to the very edges, working in nice, slow brush strokes, and already you can see a huge, massive improvement in both the saturation and the quality of the acrylic in this painting. Now, I wanted to share a few different paintings today so you can see all of the different colors and how they react to this varnish. It is amazing to me just how beautiful and bold the colors become. That saturation just pops off the canvas, and it also provides a lot of depth to my paintings. Sometimes with acrylic, and you can see in this footage, sometimes with this paint, it really does give off a haze. There seems to be this sort of haziness that forms on top of the acrylic when it dries, especially in certain lighting, and this really just removes that entirely. Once I have a nice full coat of varnish, I like to go over and smooth it out in one direction. So I will take my brush and go over either horizontal or vertical, depending on the size of the painting and what is painted, and just ensure a nice, smooth, even finish. I like to wear gloves while I am varnishing, as I do not want any of the product on my skin. Although it is non-toxic and all natural, it is always best to be safe with your art products and not get any product, whether it is your paint or your varnish, on your hands, in your eyes, or even on your person. I have saved the best for last, as I think this clip really demonstrates the power of this varnish, but also varnishing your paintings in general and why it is important. I am over the moon with how the Mars Black paint reacts to this varnish, and I really think this makes my paintings stand out that much more, become so much more saturated and much more bold.
All right, and there you have that little demonstration. As a side note, this video is not sponsored, so this is just me bringing this product to the forefront. I found that it was a little hidden gem, and I had not heard of this until, again, I just happened to come across it. So I want to share this with you all, and hopefully you find it helpful in your own art journeys, and maybe make doing your final steps of your paintings a little bit easier. If you decide to try this varnish, make sure you let me know in the comments below. I am always super excited to see what you guys are trying and if you found it helpful, so keep me updated. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and hit the subscription button down below to join our YouTube family. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. All right, and there you have it. I can't. I'm ready.
3, 2, 1.
Did you go?
No.
Oh, okay.
3, 2, 1.
I'm ready.
Go.
You say goat?
There we go. Noise. 2, 1. Wait. I'm kind of 3, 2, 1, go, right?
Are you going on go or are you going?
Go. I think. 3, 2, 1.
3, 2, 1, go, and then I go.
Maybe.
Look.
Oh my God.
All right, and there you have it. I hope you love that little demonstration. I cannot begin to say.
You can't call.
Oh my God.